Need to speak up in a meeting? Let's show you exactly how to unmute on Zoom when it's your turn to shine. If you're muted, look at the bottom left of your Zoom screen. Click the unmute button, the red mic icon will turn white, and now your mic is live. Want to talk briefly? Just press and hold the spacebar to unmute temporarily. Then release it to mute again. It's called push to talk. Super handy. If you're trying to unmute but can't, the host may have disabled it. You'll see a message saying you cannot unmute yourself. In that case, use the raise hand to feature or request permission. Speak up, drop the mic, then mute it again. Like this video if you've ever talked while muted, and don't forget to subscribe for more Zoom tricks that actually matter. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.